Hey, if you're ready to enter the world of digital picture frames, this is a great one to start with. This is by Nixplay. It's a 10.1 inch digital touch screen. It's going to play photo and you're going to be able to play video in this as well. So instead of being stuck with just one photo in the frame, you can set this to play a slideshow and you can have hundreds of photos scrolling across. It works with Hey Google, Alexa, Google Play, and the App Store. So currently you can use this in two ways. Right here we have this set in landscape mode. If you want to switch it to portrait mode, all you're going to do is pull this back piece out. You're going to go ahead and put it here, and then just set it up into portrait mode and it's automatically going to go and rotate for you right there. And then, because that's the album that I created, then I'm going to click send and it says upload started. Okay, so that's all you have to do. And in just a second, you're going to go ahead and see the photo show up right here on the frame. Remember, that's the one that we just uploaded. And it says right there, one photo received, and there it is. And now I have the setting as a slideshow, and you'll see right here in a second, it's just going to go ahead and after a few seconds, swipe over, kind of cycling through the photos. Now, if I want to speed this slideshow up, there's all kinds of settings in this app that you can do that, so it's not a problem. You also have a lot of functionality on the screen here itself. I can go ahead and pause the slideshow. I can start it. There are some settings. We can do display mode, volume, brightness. So we can, well, let's turn the brightness up to 100. Why not? You can actually have your friends and family share their own photos or whatever photos they want directly to the frame through the app. And it's just going to add more memories. It's going to be a better experience. It's a lot of fun. So definitely pick this up and check it out. They did a great job with this. That is my quick review, and thanks for watching.